Okay. Good to go.
Okay. So?
I hear we're going to go raise some funds.
Yes, we're gonna go take our recycling back and get some money. Here in Canada, when you buy a drink, you essentially pay for the container it comes in as an incentive for people to recycle, not to just throw it out, to take it back, to get your money back.
Yeah, so we pay a deposit on any recyclable containers in Canada. And that way, if you take your recyclables into the recycle plant, you get those deposit monies back.
Right.
Which you wouldn't get back if you threw it in the garbage and put it in a landfill. Right. So, yeah, it's incentive for people to
recycle, yeah. It's a good idea, I think.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, why not?
So we've got a bunch in the garage from years worth of drinking our Rockstar.
Yeah, it's mostly Rockstar.
And pop and...
Yeah.
Keeping the dentist in business.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna haul it up and take it in and get some money.
Yeah.
All right. Buckle up. Okay, you're good. Let's go. Just gotta pull around to the garage here.
Yep.
Into the back alley. Okay. Pitter patter.
Yep.
Let's get at her.
Yep. Still need to sync your phone up to the door.
Yeah, you're right. Stacks!
I know, so
fat stacks!
I think that's it. I mean, these ones aren't as full. That one's empty.
Okay.
And then
some glass, but
not very much.
We'll wait till next time.
Yeah. I think
Okay. So, well, we don't have as much as last time.
No. That's okay.
Okay.
Clean out the garage. The garage door opener that we put together and installed, and nobody died while we were doing it, so that was good.
I know.
It came in so many pieces.
It did, I know. More than I
know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Off to the recycling plant.
Yes.
So, how much money do we get? 10 cents per can?
I think so.
And 10 cents per bottle up to the size of a liter.
Yeah, liter and over is 20 cents, I think.
Okay. So when we get there, before we go in, we're going to pull out our bags back out of the truck.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to give them a once over. And we're going to guess.
Hurry?
How much money do we think we have? There's like 4 or 5 bags altogether.
Mm-hmm, but I think...
Is it 2 bottles and 3 cans?
I think so, yeah.
Here we are.
Yep. Remember when you tried to recycle at Humpty's?
Yeah. Yeah, I figure we'll pull into the correct parking lot this time. Not the restaurant beside.
They probably wouldn't like it if we started walking in with that.
No. This guy's not really parked on an angle, which...
No, that's good.
Okay. All right,
Okay.
let's go see what we got.
There we go.
Okay, so here we got
Oh,
one bag of cans, minus one can. There we go. Oh, we got a couple loose cans here.
and bottle.
2 bags. There's 3 bags. Oh, bag of bottles. Gonna have to get in there.
I know. Watch, it's gonna blow over.
Okay. Oh, so 2 bags of bottles and 3 bags of cans. That's pretty much what you said in the truck. Mm-hmm. Okay. How much you figure?
I'm gonna say $48.
I was gonna say 40. so somewhere between 40 and 48.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah.
So 44 is the middle point then.
Yeah.
So
That's
if
my
it's-
guess anyway.
If it's between 40 and 44, I win. If it's between 44 and 48, you win.
Or over.
And if it's above that, we both win.
Yeah, because we're getting more money than we thought.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know why this place doesn't have automatic doors.
Yeah, that's a great question, actually.
Yeah. And the smallest
And
door
wider
in the
doors.
world.
Yeah. They could be wider. Oh,
Yeah.
stuck. There we go.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Good morning.
Hello. Oh, we gotta sign it, don't
Yeah.
we?
Thank you. Oh, it's going to be quite a bit more.
9 and 20.
Thank you.
Thanks. See ya.
Thanks, you too. Wow.
So what's 69? What?
25.
69.25.
Yeah.
Jeez,
That's
that's better than I thought.
so we know that because, well, I guess they would have just put it on a different one, but it's $75 per week per person.
Yeah.
But we always come together. So.
Yeah, and there's no way we have that much per week.
No, but if you came here by yourself and you had
Yeah.
$100 worth,
Yeah.
they wouldn't let you recycle it
No,
all.
you're right.
That's to stop you from recycling from other provinces.
Yeah, and it's not the same
illegal,
price
actually.
in other provinces.
It says.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
some province, like the province beside it, could be the deposit might be half. So some people would, you know,
Go there.
collect a bunch of, or just have their recycling and bring it to Saskatchewan and get double their deposit
Right.
back.
Yeah.
And so that is illegal.
Yeah. 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 So they do limit how much.
How much you can bring in at one time.
Yeah.
And I don't know why it's not just a standard price across Canada.
I know. Like, there's so many variances between provinces. It's kind of silly. Also, our recycling facilities. Some of the people they employ have disabilities, so that's a nice way that they can earn their own money and stuff too.
Yes.
Not everybody there, but sometimes there is.
You want me to go?
No, I can do it.
Sorry, I thought that's what you were doing.
Nope. Turns out no.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, there's bird poop on my door handle.
Nice.
I know.
That's what you want to grab. Hey?
Stupid birds.
What's on the window too?
I know.
I need your Tums.
Okay, I'll get you in a sec. My stash.
Oh, I chewed that with the wrong side of my mouth.
Oh, my Tom stash for you. I have to make sure there's always some in here, because otherwise they'll be like, what's the baggie with all the white powder in it? Like, it's
They can test
Tums. And they'll be like, yeah, sure, it's Tums.
Yeah.